In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add personalization tokens to a template or snippet in HubSpot. Personalization tokens are a simple but powerful way to make your emails and messages feel more personal, helping you connect with your contacts in a meaningful way. Start by logging into your HubSpot account and navigating to the Conversations tab in the CRM. From there, select Message Templates. This is where all your pre-made templates live, ready to be customized. Next, head over to the Settings within the Message Templates section. Look for the Email or Personalization tab. This is where you can configure default personalization options. Here, you can choose to personalize by contact, company, or owner properties. For this example, we'll work with contact properties. Click Edit Defaults, then select the contact property you want to include, like first name, team, or company. Enter the value for that property and save your changes. This sets up your token so it can dynamically pull the right information for each contact. Now comes the fun part. Open your template or snippet and place your cursor where you want the personalization to appear. Then insert the token you just set up. HubSpot will automatically replace the token with the actual contact information when the message is sent, giving each recipient a personalized experience. And that's it. You've successfully added personalization tokens to your HubSpot templates, making your communications more engaging and tailored for every contact. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful HubSpot tutorials.